Hi, I'm Michael and I run the RV Geek channel. I've been fascinated by RVs and life on the road for as long as I can remember, but not because of the glossy brochures or the dealership talk. What always grabbed me were the stories hiding underneath it all. The rigs that became legends, the ones that became nightmares, the models everyone wanted and the ones nobody really talks about anymore. Why some RVs will happily run on for hundreds of thousands of miles, while others can empty your wallet before you've even finished your first road trip, and all the secrets, the tips and tricks that seasoned travelers know, but nobody ever tells you when you're starting out. That's the side of RV life I love exploring. I started making these videos because most content, it falls into two extremes. It's either nothing but shiny walkthrough tours and sales talk, or it's buried deep inside forum posts that take hours to piece together. Because once you start digging, you realize there's so much more to RV life than the floor plan or the price tag. And while you're here, I wanted to mention something. I created RV Secrets for Fellow Travelers. Inside, you'll find detailed buyer's dossiers, hidden issues to look out for, dealer tips, printable inspection checklists, and in-depth guides packed with travel secrets, camping hacks, and the lesser-known tricks that make life on the road easier and cheaper. If that sounds interesting for you, you'll find everything at rvsecrets.com. It's linked in the description or in the comments. There's no pressure, it's simply there if you want to dive even deeper. So what started as just a few videos has grown into something I never really expected. It's become a community of people who genuinely enjoy learning about RV life, sharing knowledge, helping each other out, and making every trip better than the last. And honestly, that's the best part of all of this. So that's my story. That's why I make these videos. I genuinely enjoy every minute of it. I'm grateful that you are here watching. Thanks for being part of the journey.